Welcome to another video of Chuck and Susan in Mazatlan. Today is day 23 of the pool build. Plastering part 4, day 6. The weather is starting to cool off in Mazatlan, and it will get even cooler as the month rolls on. This is what the pool looks like today. We've got a lot to cover. They're going to finish putting in the floor today and do some other stuff for the drains and that sort of thing. So enjoy the video. Here they're digging for the main drain. There's 3 pipes that run out there. One comes from the air conditioner, one comes from somewhere else, and there's a main drain that runs to the street. But they were digging for this thing and they couldn't find it. So in a while you'll see me come out and show them one of my videos that shows exactly where the drains are. And it turns out he was digging about a foot too close this way, and he had to dig a little bit farther down there to find the drain. He finally found it after he dug in the correct place. Do you notice anything weird about this drain? It flows uphill, and that's why we have to tear up all the tile on the deck, because the plumber has to fix the pipe and reroute it so that it flows downhill. I've seen a water level used several times before in videos and things, but this is the first time I've ever seen one used up close. Basically, it's just a tube filled with water, and the water always remains level no matter where the tube is. And you put the one in where you want the level to be, and then you check it on the other end where the level is, and then you can tell how big of a drop there is from one corner to another just by how level the water is. It turns out that there's a 10 centimeter drop between the drain and the corner, and then another 10 centimeters higher at the back corner of the pool. So there's a 20 centimeter drop from the back corner all the way to the drain, which is absolutely perfect. I mean, when the patio was laid, they intentionally sloped it so that it would go to the drain anyway. So this works out really good. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. As always, it's a beautiful day in Mazatlan, and we appreciate so much you watching the videos. Thank you for so much. And if you know anybody that likes videos of pool being built, please have them check us out. Thanks again, and have a great day.